Hey, welcome to Tool Spec. So in the last video we saw me installing the BSM 017 blind spot from Autopicar on this RAV4 here. But if you're interested in the W-BSM model number that is more sporty, I'm going to show you a couple neat features about it. Those mirrors actually have a nice long slick design to them. They look pretty awesome, and they're actually adjustable. It comes with 3M tape at the back here, and then you can move them up or down as you're wanting them onto your mirror here. Those mirrors will give you a nice great view. They can be installed at the bottom or at the top of your mirror, and they're adjustable so you can move them up or down as you desire. As you can also see with those mirrors here, they're actually giving you a bigger view of what's around. So you can see the piece of wood with the sawhorse on the top mirror, and then see how big it is into that bottom mirror. If you're interested in this Autopicar blind spot mirror or any other model of Autopicar mirror, then click the link in the description. I'll have a link for my Amazon affiliate link in there. Other than that, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.